Hi, thanks so much for stopping by today. Today I have a sew sampler box from Fat Quarter Shop, and I'm excited to see what's inside. So let's dig in. The theme is Paris French Market. Let's see what's inside. What is this? Paris French Market, March 2019. Ooh, there's lots of goodies in here. Now, let's not forget my papers here, and we'll read what's in here. Okay, first we have Peel's Spool Hugger from the Gypsy Quilter. Have you ever taken out your favorite spool of thread and found that it has become an unraveled mess? Yes, I have. I have a whole pile of them right next to me actually like that. Time to prevent this from happening by using these simple and stylish Peel's Spool Huggers. They are made of an adjustable rubber that will fit almost any spool diameter, includes a variety of blue, green, orange, pink peels. Retails for $9.98. There are 12 in here. This is from the Gypsy Quilter. And let me reach over here and see, here's my threads. And look at them. They're tangling up. So here's how they work. Just kind of get your thread in place. And get your thread wound up, and then just put this around it. And it holds the thread on. So see, it's not falling off now. Let's do the next one. Because I had a few of these, and I'm like, I really need more of these. So, luckily, here they are. So here's the end. I have the end of the thread right here. And I'll just take that and like that. So no more hanging thread. Awesome. So, oh my gosh, there's so many goodies. What is this? I'm really interested in finding out what this is. Here's the lid. What does it say? So Hot Iron Rest by It's So Emma. So it's like a hot pad for your iron. Cool. So it says, sew while the iron's hot. Rest your iron in between shots of steam and ardent pressing. This silicone iron rest is a minty fresh hue. Allows you to place your iron plate directly on the surface so you can press on without it tipping over. The molded pattern and inspirational message will look so cute in your sewing room. Retail value $10.98. So that's pretty cool. Here's the back of it. It's very soft and flexible. I really like that. That's cool. Oh. I know it's not made to put back in there, but it's got to go. There we go. Still a little crooked. So the next item, ooh, we got some Tim Holtz scissors. Tonics. Cool. Tim Holtz 7-inch titanium snip from Tonic Studios. It says, with a non-stick coating to minimize adhesive buildup and micro-serrated cutting edge and cush grip handles for comfort. The Tim Holtz scissors are the perfect crafter's companion. Plastic cap is included for safe storage, which also helps to ensure the quality and sharpness of the scissors. So, I need some scissors to get them out of here. Let's see. Okay, these are very similar, but they're from another company. Okay. So here it is. They fit in your hand really nice. Cool beans. So those will come in handy. I love these. They really are nice. There's that. And let's take these and move the box. We have the Brookside Quilt pattern. Finish size 30.5 by 35.5. So there's the pattern. Let's see if it says anything about this. Doesn't say anything about that one, unless I'm overlooking it. Oh, okay. It's a bonus quilt pattern included for the fabric. It's called the Brookside Quilt pattern. That's cute. Okay. Then we have Sprouts quilt pattern. It says the Sprouts quilt pattern, sew sampler exclusive. The Sprouts quilt is a little patch of happiness. This 48.5-inch square project is a delightful design for jolly bars, such as the Chantilly Jolly Bar, and lets you work with a range of low volume and saturated prints. Alternating star blocks create exciting visual movements, and this pattern will be a perennial favorite to play with. And they have finishing kits available for that. And all the directions are in here. And there's like a big picture of it. And here is what you need for 2 sizes. So if you're interested in checking that out, I'll try to put a link down there for that. And this is what you'll need. And that did I say that retails for $9.98, that pattern. And oh, we got 2. Barn Block 12 and the Barn Block Finishing. So there's those 2. It says Barn Block number 12 and finishing recipe. Join us as we travel the countryside and make 12 unique and inspiring barn blocks. Pick up a barn block quilt kit and the coordinating Aurifil barn block thread pack. Retail value for these 2 is $9.96. And now let's get to the fun part, the fabric. This is called Chantilly Jolly Bar. Fig Tree Quilts for Moda. This is a Fat Quarter exclusive. Here is the UPC if you want to see that. And we're going to slide this off and mess it all up. It says Chantilly by Fig Tree Quilts has put the spring back in your step. There is a lot here. This is 100% cotton, made in Korea. 42 5x10 rectangles. Oh, look how cute that is. It's so cute. Try to get it so you can see it better. I see like some of the same thing in different colors. There's that. There's white. Chantilly by Fig Tree Quilts has put the spring back in your step. Tiny tendrils and blooming buds are blossoming in light tones of butter, peach, pink, cloud blue, earth brown, and mint green. You can find other signs of life amongst the strawberries and garden snails. This jolly bar is as refreshing as a warm spring breeze. Includes 42 5x10 rectangles, and this is a bonus quilt pattern included. So it kind of repeats, but just different color families. Oops. This is kind of vintage looking to me. I think that's why I like so much of the Fat Quarter Shop fabric. It just has a different look than some of the other companies. There we go. So that is everything. What a great box. Got this big, beautiful package of fabric. You got a pattern to go with it. You got 3 other patterns. We got the scissors. We got the spool huggers and the iron resting mat. So super great box. So I'll put links down below if you're interested in checking it out. Oh, and make sure you check out in a few days, I don't know, I think it's the 29th, I'll have a video up that I'm doing a sew along with the Fat Quarter Shop. I'll be making a block, and I'll share how I made it. And just remember, I'm a beginner at the quilting stuff. I know how to sew, but I do make mistakes. I try to correct them and fill you in when I find it. But be sure to check that out. Then it's called the Union Square, I believe. And you'll be able to check it out on Fat Quarter Shop as well. But it's not available yet. So when it comes out on the 29th, I'll have a video up. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments. And thanks so much for stopping by, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.